Hello there, fellow gardener, and welcome to my channel, The Late Grower. Now, this time I'd like to share with you a video. Actually, this is an update. In my previous video, I planted the sliced tomato. There were actually two pots where I planted the sliced tomato, but one met a disaster. It got tipped over by my dog. So, actually, just on the second day. So, wala na siya. Ito na lang ang naiwan. And then this one, I planted the sliced tomato February 14. And by February 9, 8 or 9 days, nag-sprout na siya. So today is February 28, or 2 weeks after I buried that sliced tomato. As you can see, ito na siya, naglabasa na. Nag-sprout na siya. Medyo malaki na rin. And I would say successful yung method na yon ng pagtatanim ng sliced tomato. I used only ordinary soil in this particular experiment. Nothing fancy. While waiting for the seed to germinate, I watered it sparingly. Just when the topsoil is getting dry, I watered it. But my method was to water at the bottom. Sa ilalim po. Bali, meron akong tray. Pinapatong ko lang siya doon. A tray with water. And then the water would be shipped by the soil upwards. Ganun po. Hindi ko siya binubuhusan sa itaas kasi baka mabulok agad yung ano eh. Baka mabulok siya. Okay. Now, one problem that I can see from this method is that since I put only one slice of tomato, and since the seeds are very close with each other, ito po ang nangyari. Naging crowded siya sa isang lugar. Actually, binawasan ko na ito. I already pulled out some of the seedlings. As you can see, ito po yung mga na-pull out ko na. Kasi medyo maliit sila. Tapos, yun nga, masyadong tabi-tabi. And ito na lang yung natira. But even with this, I think they're still very much crowded. So maybe I'll wait for them to have a set of true leaves, and later on I will still be pulling out some of them. So example po, actually there are two methods that can be used. You can cut using a scissor, or you can just pull it out. Pareho po ng gagawin ko dito ngayon. Pipili tayo ng mas maliit. Ito, hinihila lang siyang ganyan. As you can see, taproot pa lang siya. So, pwede pa siyang ma-thin out talaga. Okay? So, that's about it for this particular video. I hope you will also try growing tomato by burying its slices. Effective po siya, kahit ordinary soil lang. Yun nga lang, ang problema, kailangan natin magtanggal ng iba. Kasi they would not grow properly pag masyado silang tabi-tabi. Okay? Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye-bye!